Hi guys, and today I'm going to build a Lego set. I don't know how much I bought it for. I don't know how much money it was, but it has 118 pieces. So let's get to building. And it was already opened. There's the instructions. Those can go to you.
I'll put it together.
Just dump it just like a pizza. Okay.
So this is what it's going to look like in the end when it's all built. It's a veterinarian shop,
No.
is it? What is it?
It is
Maya's Foal Stable. It's a stables.
It's actually a barn.
Okay.
Put that over there.
All right.
Okay, so first, what do we do?
So we're going to need...
To build the person first?
Yeah, we're going to need... This is our first set of instructions, if you can see that. So it's the person.
Okay. Ah! I can't lose a head.
So there's 4 pieces for this one. There we go. There's her head assembled.
Okay, now I'm gonna
Make sure the boys and girls can see. Okay, there's the first 3 pieces.
Now I need to get the last.
Where's her lower body?
In.
All right, voila.
There we go.
All right, so now...
Hi, boys and girls.
So now we need the purple. We need this piece. Let's let her face them.
Okay.
She's kind of out of focus. Oh, there we go.
Okay, so we need this piece.
So we're going to build the Jeep now.
Not the Jeep, it's a tractor.
Oh, a tractor.
So we're going to build the tractor.
So we've got this piece, the very first one.
Okay.
Next, we're going to grab these 2 pieces.
Okay, here's one of them.
Okay, and then we need this oval one. This is so much fun.
There.
Did you find it?
Yep.
Perfect.
Okay.
Wow, on to step 3 and 4, which is assembling the steering wheel. And
I think we should just put her.
she's kind of, she's observing everybody.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got those pieces. So we need to find the steering wheel.
Oh, here it is.
There it is. So then you assemble that on top of the orange piece. Then we need this fancy doohickey right here.
It's right here. Put it right there.
Okay, show the boys and girls.
There,
This is what we've got so far. Perfect. We flip over to page 10. And we need this little white piece.
Ah!
This fancy little white piece right there.
Okay.
Or gray. So let's move these over here. We're not very speedy, are we? Okay, here you go. There's that one.
Do we need this?
Oh, we do need that piece. Yes, that flat piece. Okay. Now show the boys and girls what you've got so far. Tip it the other way. Okay, so now we need the wheels. We need the axle.
Oh, yeah.
Which is this guy right here.
There, and then we need...
And then we need
that.
the hitch for the back.
Nope. Oh, here we go.
All right. You got her?
Okay, now I'm going to put it at the very back.
Okay. Aw. Okay, so let's show what we've got now.
Okay, here is the bottom. I'll show you.
Top and the sides. Then we're going to go on to page 12. So we need those 2 pieces. So now we're doing more assembling the other set of wheels.
Oh, here we go.
Okay. Oh, you already got that?
Okay, now where do we put it?
Now we put that on the front. We put that on the front of the tractor right there. So right there, you got it? Now we're going to put the tires. We're going to put the rims in the tires.
Okay, so we need that.
So we're going to...
You can get me the pieces.
I will get you the pieces. I am your assistant. Oh, here's the rims for the small ones.
Okay. Just fit that in.
Mm-hmm.
Here's one of the tires all done. I'll put that in the back.
Is that a John Deere tractor?
I don't know. I don't even know what a John Deere tractor is.
It goes fast.
Oh, I think so.
Is that going to go?
Oh, there we go.
All right.
Okay, so now we need these.
We need the front rims. The cute little bunny.
There's 2 of them.
Is there? Little bunny. Aww. Boys and girls can't see them because they're not sitting up.
Here, I'll show them. Ugh. There's one of the bunnies.
It's kind of blurry. Move it back. There you go.
There. And then the other one is the same.
Awesome. All right, so now we need
They're cute, aren't they?
We need the smokestack.
I'm not finished yet.
Oh.
In the smokestack.
Getting a little heady, aren't I? Family fun, putting a Lego set together. Love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm a very
It's our favorite thing to do, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, so
Ooh.
here's what we got so far.
Yay! All right.
Vroom.
It even rolls. It even rolls the tires. Okay. So now we're going to move on to the trailer.
Yep, the trailer.
For the...
I want to try and do this alone.
Okay.
Without looking.
All right. Oh, without looking.
Yeah. So make sure you get everything right. And tell me if
User
nothing's
friendly.
wrong.
This is what we're all about. Assembly friendly. Nope, it's wrong. Oh, maybe that is right. Kidding. Hopefully we put the right tires on that other one.
Yep, we did.
Good job, Jane. Good, good.
And then this would sound like this. Ha!
Yay, Dad!
Did I get it right? Did I?
You did, you did.
Yay!
Yay, look how awesome that looks. It even moves. Okay, so now we're on
Look inside of the trailer.
You forgot the hitch. No, you got the hitch, everything. Wow. Oh, look, you got to put her on it. It shows her. It shows her sitting on it. So we got to put her on it. Now we start with the barn. Or the pen. Now we start with the pen.
Okay, I'll just set it right there.
Okay, this comes with 2 horses as well.
Yeah,
Bunnies and horses. Awesome.
So here's one of the horses. Hey, hey. And here's the other. Hey.
Little black stallion. All right, so now we have to find this flat green piece. There, okay, perfect. Then we need the 4, we need this guy right here with the 4 pieces.
Here, what about I tell you what I need?
No, I want you to do it.
Okay.
I want you to assemble it.
There.
Okay, we need this piece with the little...
Here's what it is so far.
Okay, we need this piece. We need another one just like it, identical. Okay, now we need a flower.
A flower.
An orange flower. Just moving right along. So now we're on page 24. This one here. And so we need the blue. assuming that's for water.
No, it's not for water, I think.
No, holding the saddle?
Yep.
Okay, there's that. You get both pieces?
Yep.
And then this here.
Okay, so which way does it go? Like this or this?
No, it goes like this.
Okay.
With this piece facing out. This truck's in the way,
here
so
we
no
have
one can see what's going on here.
And
We're
then
new
I
at this
think
video
we need
stuff.
this.
What's that?
I think we need this.
Yeah, there's kind of the shelter.
There.
This look like a real stables. This look like our stables. Not at all, eh? Perfect.
Okay, now
Beautiful.
we need
Beautiful. Okay, so now we're building the fence.
Okay, I think I know how to do it. So
Now, is this Babe the farting horse?
no.
You know how she coughs and she farts?
No.
No?
Oh,
There is no cow in this one. All right. So we need to do the other fence. This is pretty easy. This is going right along. Okay. Identical pieces. La la la.
Tra la la.
Tra la la la. Okay.
Ah!
Now, here's a shovel for scooping the poo.
I never want to do that.
It's a lot of fun. So, there you go. Put your horse in there. So that's showing that. Oh, now we need a flower.
Okay, so here we go. Here's the inside like that.
Oh, good. You got your flower. We need the apple
Here it's the
and a piece of hay.
Nay, nay.
Where's the carrot go? Does the carrot go in there? Nope. Okay, so that goes.
Oh,
this is the
not
end
done
result
yet.
for this.
Okay.
Okay.
There. Now there's food. If you can see that.
Yeah. Okay, there we
There's
go.
an apple and hay.
Is it? Aw. Jamie jammed her thumb today. All right, so now we have to build the platform for the holding the barn accessories. So we need 2 green pieces, 2 long green pieces.
So we need.
So
No, we don't need 2.
Oh.
Not 2.
What's? Oh, okay, that's just showing
Step
you.
1, step 2, basically.
Okay, so there's that. So easy to do. So fun.
But it's a fun one.
Fun, fun.
Yeah.
All right. So awesome. You're sure quick at this. So now, right here, we're going to need these 2 pieces with the silver. Is that, or is it 1 piece or 2? Oh, these.
There we need this.
Yeah. And that bad boy right there.
There.
Awesome.
This is what we have so far.
Good. Now your tower goes over on this side, right there. Okay. Oh, and this lovely wall, which has all the tackle on it. Picture of Jamie with her horse.
It's not me.
Sure it is. Let's pretend.
Okay.
Okay, so now, oh, we have a water fountain. So the horses can drink.
So these 2. We need this.
So it goes like so.
Huh.
And
I saw that thing.
the fountain?
I saw it.
Where did we see
Oh,
it?
there it goes.
Did you
there
get
it
it?
is.
Okay.
Yep.
Alrighty, now. Beautiful. Look what she has so far. This is so beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it. All right, so.
Weird. Why is that hole there?
Oh, hard to say. Anyway, so now we need a flat piece. We need this piece here.
Okay.
And then,
That.
and we need another.
I
Okay, so we're going to show the boys and girls what we're doing as we do it. And here's this piece. Okay.
I'm going to put another piece in there. There we go.
Okay.
If you see really closely, there's another piece in there. Yeah.
So we now need these two pieces for the ceiling.
Okay.
So that goes
Right there like that.
like so.
There, and here's the ceiling.
Yay! So there's that. And now we need one more flower. You see where that goes? Right here.
Okay.
Oh, we're missing two pieces here. So we need these.
Okay.
So that's like the table. Where's the other? Oh, you got it. Okay. So this is what we're doing here. We're making this.
Okay.
Beautiful.
So we were making that. And that's what it looks like.
That's what it looks like. Okay. Oh, they have a brush.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. I'm sure that's not what you call it for horse terms.
There.
Now we need this green guy right here. We put him there. Snaps right on.
Put him right there like that.
And then we need this piece.
For now on, I'm just going to put it like that so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside.
So much funner. Oh, we're not hiding this on you.
So there.
Okay, so now we need two flowers on the side here.
Okay.
Boys and girls, watch where she's putting this.
You see?
Awesome.
Put it there and here.
Now we need.
This is fun.
This is fun. I love this stuff.
Me too.
We love this stuff, don't we, honey?
Yeah. So do we put it right here?
So we're gonna put it right beside the flowers. Yeah.
Okay. Because I don't really know.
Beautiful. Now we need these. Oh, you've got a lot of them. Great.
Okay, now we need
Fantastic.
these.
We
We
can
need
do
two
with
of
those.
these.
Oh, yes.
It would be cool if a Lego set, and it looked like it was only one Lego set, but it came with a bunch more pieces, and you could build it a second time because there's a second thing that you could build it with.
That would be neat. Be like a Lego surprise.
Yeah.
All right. So now we've got that together. Looks starting to look beautiful. Okay, here. There's those two pieces. So these and more roofing. Okay. Now this hangs in the front. I'll put this piece on. Yay, I get to even help out. Now we're almost done. Almost done.
Here, I'll let you put that on if you want.
Here's the stables. The company logo. Yay! My camera doesn't focus very good. And then we've got one of another fence, which goes right in the front to herd the horses in.
So they don't
Corral
get
the
out.
horses. Now, we've got that.
Do you guys have a horse? Because I've heard that they're hard to work with.
They can be.
Yeah. Okay, now I put this right there. I think.
Okay. So then we put the shovel in the bucket.
Okay.
We put the hay in the bucket.
Okay.
Dear Liza, here's more hay. Put more. They want.
I'd like to. Oh, I almost forgot.
What's that?
I'd like to put one of these pieces in there and the shovel in there too.
Oh, in the tractor?
Yeah. So there's some hay in the tractor too.
Cool. So let's move her around here so that she's also included in.
Yeah, she has to be included.
In the party.
Ah, her hair.
Oh no!
She can't be bald.
All right. So now we need to add.
Do you guys like Lego sets?
Oh, I love Lego.
I bet you guys do.
Lego is so fun. So, James, now we put this one right here. And there's our little tree.
I'll just set that shovel up like this.
We need a bucket. We're almost done. Almost done. Here's our bucket.
Okay, I'll put that
Our
on.
bucket goes on the front of the fence. Either side. Getting down to the fine detail now.
Oh, don't we need a carrot?
The carrot goes in the bucket. In this little bucket right there. Oh, did you put the... oh, you did put the carrot top on. You're quick. So the black stallion goes in here.
Okay.
And...
can you see that black stallion? Here, I'll move that carrot out of the way.
okay, so now you grab this the green platform. And we're building the last...
is it a rabbit
the last
cage?
structure. Possibly. It might be.
Okay, so...
Because we have 2 rabbits.
okay.
I don't know if they can see that. Okay.
And we're on page number 56 and number 57.
Cool. All right.
So I'll set that right there so you
Now,
can see it.
what we need
Oh,
is...
I meant my mom.
so we're going to take you need these 2 pieces. So let's move this stuff over, honey bunny.
Okay.
Okay, so let's take this and we're going to put those 2 pieces together. We're going to make it like this. All right. So then you're going to take this piece. And you're going to take this piece. It's almost like there's extra pieces.
Yeah.
Okay, and then this piece.
It's almost like we're making nothing.
Yeah. Oh, okay, there, perfect. You see where this goes? This is for the rabbits. Cool. The rabbit.
Okay, I'll show you guys when I am done with this rabbit cake.
Almost done. We got a few extra pieces, which we always love extra pieces.
I'll put this right here.
Okay.
And if you want, you can make this in a flower pot.
We could. Awesome. So we have 2 extra pieces. They're kind of, one looks like a wheel rim and the top off of a carrot. So that's good. We'll always find a use for those extra pieces.
Okay, and since there's an extra rabbit, I'll put it on the tractor.
Awesome. So this is our...
rabbit looking, rabbit looking, rabbit looking. Going back, rabbit looking, rabbit looking.
So this is what we ended up with.
Okay. So
This whole
here
Lego set.
is the rabbit cage.
So we're going to set it up. How it is
Do
in
you
the
have
picture.
a rabbit or like them? Leave the comments down below.
Thank you for joining us.